some people always willing to do it for the shot. Shit, now me, I ain't get my ass.
You wouldn't do it?
Hell no.
You not ready to do it for the shot?
Hell no.
Why not?
Cause I am a bitch.
Oh.
Wait, I ain't got no jacket on.
What I need a jacket for? It's nice out here, dog.
Nigga, it's still a Livonia weather.
I got on a wife beater.
Who is you beating?
Yeah, follow me on Instagram at Rachel Anastasia, all one word.
Don't nobody know how to spell that. Don't nobody know how to spell that. Man, let me say she need. Oh, you keep around, bro.
Wangwan, Jana, you know Wangwan. An African boy right here, man.
Bro, you trying to do the outro?
It was good. What's this show called?
It's a show called the Lil Show.
All right.
See? Lil Show.
That thing fire. Look at it.
Did this nigga come with his own marketing material?
Yeah.
Where you at?
I'm getting off South Hill now.
No! Alright.
Yeah, why?
We waiting on you. We bust that joint out already.
You're like hip skilly Billy. I like my peanut butter with nuts in it.
Yo, what the hell is wrong with you, dog?
I'm at that big time. 500.
We got some new drips.
That's that nice getting shit. Shit. Nah.
She about to catch pneumonia?
She catching pneumonia.
Let's look. Look at her outfit.
Show you love 'cause I'm the man. I'ma do this, baby. Watch me do it, yeah. I'm gonna do it. Right, oh baby. Anything you like, I got, oh baby. I wanna ride with you. Right, oh baby, yeah.
I'm right. I keep hearing it. Is it that? Wait, hold up.
Hey, yo, we about to find out they got somebody caked on this joint.
Right, yo.
Hey, yo, somebody in there?